Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss a new unit in C++. What is pointer? A pointer is a variable which hold the memory address of other variable. That means a pointer variable store memory address of other variable into its memory location. The pointer For the pointer there are two operators are used, asterisk and ampersand. The asterisk operator is called as a dereference operator, or it is used to value at, that is what value the pointer will be hold, that is displayed by asterisk sign. Ampersand sign, that is and symbol, is used for to address of, that is memory address the pointer will be hold is displayed by ampersand sign. Then when you use a pointer, it give advantages such as pointer are useful for accessing memory locations, that is pointer variable shows memory location of other variable. Pointer provides an efficient way for accessing the elements of array structure, that is arrays element are accessed by pointer easily whenever it will be indexing to 0th element of array element. Then next advantage, pointer are used for dynamic allocation and deallocation, that is you allocate, that is save the memory location for other variable and delete memory location from uh, other variables. Pointer are used in data structure like linked list, graph and binary tree. And whenever you use a pointer, you easily swap or interchange values of variable without physically moving them. Pointer allows to establish a link between data elements or object, and pointer allows to pass variable, arrays, function, string, structure and object as function argument. These are the advantages provided by the pointer. Then it gives features such as whenever you use the pointers, then pointer save memory space. It is a most uh, advantage feature of pointer which saves the memory space. And point an array of any type can be accessed with the help of pointer, that is when array element is accessed easily by pointer without considering its subscript range, that is what size is in subscript, that does not be considered by pointer, so that it is easily used for accessing array element. Pointers are used for file handling. Pointers are used for allocate memory dynamically. Then how pointers are used with help of C++ programming as like this. Here we see one C++ programming regarding the pointer. Here asterisk A is a pointer. A is pointer variable. Here A is pointer variable. I tell that a pointer variable is declared by asterisk sign. When it is declared, you will be allocate a memory address of other variable. Here we can tell that A hold. Here A hold address of B. A hold address of B. A is equal to ampersand B tells that A is a pointer which hold address of B. So that here output cout A, here it point address of B, and here it prints value of B, and here A only A is given, because whenever A is given, then here it prints address of A. Here address of A, it is a pointer, so that it print the address of B, because A is equal to ampersand B, you have declared it. Here ampersand A, here it prints address of A, and here it print address of B. Here it prints pointer A, means it prints value of pointer. Let's see, I compile it, I run it. See here, A, here A displays address, B is equal to value of B is 20, address of A, that is address of A and ampersand A, both are same. Address of A and address of B both are same, but address of A itself is a different. Thus we will be see here how pointer are declared. The pointer are declared by asterisk sign, and it hold the address by address of operator ampersand. After discussing this C++ example, I hope you will be understand how pointers are declared and how it hold the